Are you done with the vinegar?
No.
Plus that.
No.
You need more?
No.
I'd probably have over
No.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'd have all like 1,200 of those on my computer. So that'd be interesting for my computer.
Are you putting vinegar on your chicken? Is it good?
Mama.
Yum. You should record how long it takes them to begin. You need more vinegar?
No.
On every piece, eh?
No. No. Ma.
No more?
No more?
Me.
Okay.
Me.
And Daddy pour some more for
You
you?
can do it.
Okay, that's good. Lots of vinegar. Good job. Mmm. Is that good?
Vinegar.
Mm.
You like it on vinegar? Like your fries with vinegar?
Mama.
Is it yum?
Mama.
Or you need more vinegar?
Mama.
Oh. You almost vinegared my fries. Okay, that's good. Oh, don't lick the vinegar. Is that good? Say bye-bye to my video. Oh,
Tell Mommy
good.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.